our channel.
Good guys, welcome back to a new day. So I managed to find the SR20 box I had in the yard and the bell housing. I did mark it up and see it is the same stuff, both of them are the same. So let me just show you guys quickly. So this is the box I had in the yard. You can see it was laying in the yard. And then this is the bell housing that we also had in the yard. What I'm going to do is I'm first going to remove the bell housing off this one before stripping this box. As you can see, this one was welded up over here. I think it's over there it was welded. Let's check. I think it was just there that it was welded, and over here it was welded as well. So this bell housing is not perfect as well. It's not a perfect bell housing. So we obviously gonna need to source a better one or a nicer one. And then this one was also welded in here. This is the one that I got from Eddie. D&D Gearbox, I think I got this one from Eddie. This one is, I'm going to use this one for rear wheel drive, but that's a project for another day. So yeah, so let's leave that one for now. So I'm going to remove this one, and then I'm going to put this bell housing over on to this box. A cup of coffee. So there we go guys, I managed to remove the casing. This is our gears. So as you guys can see what the gears look like on the inside. This is a LSD gearbox. So now what I need to do is, that is our damaged side. So what I need to do is I need to get these gears removed and fit it over to that bell housing over there. Box is still operating box. That is our spare gearbox. As soon as I find a more solid bell housing, I'm going to fit everything back to this bell housing again. That belongs to, or all the gears going back onto this bell housing. Housing is stripped. You can see what's happening in here. See the crack over here. See this whole, you can see the crack over here. See this whole chunk is away here. That's what our box looks like. This bell housing is scrap. I'm just gonna go about stripping that one, and then I'll get you guys as soon as I'm done. These gears, it can only go in one way. So that two gears can just go to those two gears, two over there, and the one over there and one there. But I just decided just to wire it up and keep them together. Out of, as I took it out, I just laid it down here. Basically everything as I took it out, I just laid it down here. So once I put everything back, I'll just put it back as is. So let me just get that box stripped and then get the gears and everything removed from that one. Get everything in there, and then I'll get back to you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to just a quick update video. So how far we are now with the SR20 box is I managed to find a box yesterday, so I bought it from a gentleman called Dion. I bought the box from him, and what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take the box apart and then send the front bell housing away for machining. So let me just take the bell housing apart quickly, and then we'll take the gearbox apart, and then I will show you guys exactly what we are about to do. Just show you the box. Oh, it's actually leaking. I did flip the box upside down and it's leaking all over the place, but never mind that. This is the box I bought. The only problem with this box is, as per the previous owner, the fifth gear pops out. So it's just a fifth gear issue. Most of the guys that is into SR20s or that has SR20s will know that their boxes have a fifth gear problem. It normally just pops out, and if it gets worse, all of the gears starts popping out. But anyway, so let me just take the box apart quickly, and then we can see what machining needs to be done. Well, I'll show you guys exactly what machining needs to be done. There we go, I took the box apart. So as you can see, here's the gears, reverse gear, there's our bell housing, and then there is our back casing. Let me show, there's our diff as well. Let me quickly just show you the difference between the two boxes. So this is the LSD bell housing. This is the stock, normal, non-LSD bell housing. So with this bell housing over here, you can see we have a bit of a deeper dish in here. So it's a step down, and then we have it basically almost level with our seal over here. That's the LSD. With a non-LSD, you can see the difference here. There's no step down over there, and then also here, let's get the light in here. Sorry for that, guys. This guy just came in here making a noise. So as you can see, like I said, the LSD has a step down over there and a step, and it's a bit lower over there. Then on the non-LSD, we don't have no step down over there, and then also there is a lot of meat. As you can see, there's a lot of meat over there above the seal. So yeah, so that's what we need to get machined. I'm gonna send it away. I think my buddy Basil is gonna sort it out for me. So he's gonna take the LSD bell housing and the non-LSD bell housing with him, and he's gonna use this one as a guide to machine that one. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you are into cars, please subscribe to the channel. Please let your friends know if they are into cars as well, into building. That is us, yes. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys liked the content. Please like the video if you would like to see more. Follow-up video regarding the box will be coming soon. So you guys, stay safe, look after yourself. I am out. That's Dean, Micah. We out. Stay safe, look after yourself.
Bye. Bye.